Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. This is the time of the month where I am sharing the layouts and cards that I created from this month's Flavors of the Month kit. This is basically kind of a layout share, kill a kit video. I didn't really kill the kit. I don't ever because there's just so much stuff in the kits. But I'm just going to share you anyways what I've created. So the first four, I'm kind of going to gloss over it because they have their respective process videos, and so you can check that out in my channel under, I believe it's process videos is the playlist. The first one is this layout that I created with the excuse me, with the photoplay paper collection. The collection was actually a mom inspired collection, but I didn't make a mom inspired layout just because I didn't have any pictures for it. But I did use the M because I was talking about the two Masons in the picture. One is my son and then another one is his friend, and I'm kind of just using the color scheme because it was inspired by the pants of this Mason and the orange in this Mason's jacket. So that was kind of the inspiration. This is also my layout assignment for this month's sketch. So that's that. The next one is a double page layout. Excuse me for my voice. I am just coming out of a long cold. Well, I feel it was quite a long cold, but anyway, so this is a layout featuring the Schimel American Crafts paper. I think it's Sparkle City, and the inspiration for the design of the layout was actually from this paper because it had diagonal words on it, and so I just cut that out so that I could spread it on the double page layout. And then we have this camera paper that I kind of dressed up with some dots of the thickers. They had some foiled covered stars and dots, and so I covered that up just to kind of give it a dimension. And again, this has a process video as well. And then the next one is another double page layout. I made 3 double page layouts this month just because I had the photos and I was inspired to create with 2-page layouts. And then this one features the Simple Stories paper, and I love the colors of it, and I kind of used it all around, kind of using it as a bookend for my page, and then the photos were mainly in the center. I did use this chipboard letters that I use is from my stash, but everything else is either from the Flavors of the Month kit or the embellishment add-on kit. So that's another one. And then the fourth one is another double page layout. This one is for my assignment for the recipe. If you are a subscriber, you get a recipe. I think it's for all of the mini kits included in the Flavors of the Month kit. And then you also, in the recipe, you get basically the picture and the dimensions of the cutting instructions for the papers, and also the direction to basically copy the page. So if you want to scrap lift this page and you are a subscriber for the Flavors of the Month kit from the ScrapRoom Kit Club, make sure that you check out the recipe. I believe it goes in an email. So anyways, this is a page featuring the jelly bean soup, and also the sparkle word and the shine word is from a Thickers pack, which comes in the embellishment add-on kit. And I did hand cut all of these flowers. People might say no, we don't have time for that, but I found time to do that, and I really love the result of it. So those are my 4 assignment layouts, and then we go on to my kind of extra pages or extra projects that I create every month. I usually make a set of cards and an extra layout just because I have products. So the first one, let's just go with the layout first, and this one features kind of a combination of the Schimel papers, and then I think it's just the Schimel papers that I added some stickers from the Simple Stories line. So that's basically what it was. Two collections that I put together, but it was mostly the Chimel papers just because I have a lot of them, and also because the colors of it matched with the shirt of my son, the purple over in my daughter, and also the blue in my other son's outfit. So that is my layout. Oh, and the cardstock is mine, and I actually gutted it so that I can use the orange cardstock for another project. And then because I didn't make any mom themed pages, and I really like the theme for that photo play paper, I instead created some cards with it, and these are the results. If you notice, they are actually all the same design. It's just I use different papers and different stickers for sentiments. So this one says, Mom, I love you loads, which I thought was pretty cool. And then this one says, Super Mom. This one says, My mom rocks, beautiful mom. And then this one is Super Mom with the image of the superhero woman. So those are my projects for this month, for May, of Flavors of the Month kit from the ScrapRoom Kit Club. If you have any questions, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know which one was your favorite, or which one is the one that you would most likely a scrap lift anytime soon. I'm just kind of curious what you liked out of all the projects that I shared. And if you ever want to see these layouts again, kind of in a picture format, so you can kind of study it or whatever, make sure that you check out my blog, because they're always in there as well. So I will see you guys when I see you. Bye.